Welcome to Passion Travel. Join us as we explore fascinating destinations, uncover hidden gems, and embark on unforgettable journeys. Subscribe now and ignite your passion for travel. Tacos: soft or crispy tortillas filled with various meats and toppings. Ingredients for tacos. For the filling: 1 pound, 450 g, ground beef, or chicken, turkey, or beans for a vegetarian option. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 small onion, diced. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 packet taco seasoning, or homemade seasoning, cumin, chili powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Half a cup water. For toppings: corn or flour tortillas. Shredded lettuce. Diced tomatoes. Shredded cheese, cheddar or Mexican blend. Sour cream or Greek yogurt. Salsa or pico de gallo. Sliced jalapenos. Avocado or guacamole. Fresh cilantro, optional. Lime wedges, for serving. Preparation: cook the filling. In a skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced onion and sauté until translucent, about 3 to 4 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Add the ground meat and cook until browned, breaking it apart with a spoon, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the taco seasoning and water. Simmer for about 5 minutes until the mixture thickens. Prepare the tortillas. Warm the corn or flour tortillas in a dry skillet for about 30 seconds on each side, or until pliable. Assemble the tacos. Place a spoonful of the meat mixture onto each tortilla. Top with shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, cheese, and any additional toppings you prefer: sour cream, salsa, jalapenos, avocado, etc. Serve. Serve immediately with lime wedges on the side for squeezing over the tacos. Poutine: fries topped with cheese curds and gravy. Ingredients for poutine. For the fries: 4 large russet potatoes. Oil for frying, vegetable or canola. Salt. For the gravy: 4 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. 2 cups beef or chicken broth, or vegetarian broth. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. For assembly: cheese curds, fresh white cheddar is ideal. Preparation: make the fries. Prepare the potatoes, peel, if desired, and cut the potatoes into thick fries. Soak them in cold water for at least 30 minutes to remove excess starch. Fry the potatoes, heat oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Drain and dry the potatoes thoroughly, then fry in batches until golden brown and crispy, about 5 to 7 minutes per batch. Drain on paper towels and season with salt. Prepare the gravy. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Whisk in the flour to form a roux, cooking for about 2 minutes until lightly golden. Gradually whisk in the broth, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Add soy sauce, if using, and bring to a simmer. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, until thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Assemble the poutine. Place a generous portion of hot fries on a plate. Top with cheese curds. Pour hot gravy over the fries and cheese curds. Serve. Serve immediately and enjoy this classic Canadian dish. Hot dogs: classic street-style hot dogs, with a variety of toppings. Ingredients for hot dogs. For the hot dogs: for hot dog sausages, beef, pork, turkey, or plant-based. For hot dog buns. For toppings: mustard, ketchup, relish, diced onions, sauerkraut, shredded cheese, jalapenos, chili, for chili dogs, pickles, fresh herbs, like cilantro or parsley. Preparation: cook the hot dogs. Boiling method: fill a pot with water, bring it to a boil, and add the hot dogs. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until heated through. Grilling method, preheat the grill to medium heat. Grill the hot dogs for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until heated and charred. Pan frying method, heat a skillet over medium heat and add the hot dogs. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until browned. Warm the buns. You can lightly toast the buns on the grill or in a skillet for added texture. Assemble the hot dogs. Place a cooked hot dog in each bun. Add your favorite toppings. Serve. Serve immediately with chips or a side salad. Enjoy your delicious hot dogs. Burgers, juicy beef or veggie patties served with various toppings. Ingredients for burgers. For the burger patties: 1 pound, 450 g, ground beef, 80/20 blend for juiciness. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Optional, 1 teaspoon garlic powder or onion powder. For the toppings: 4 burger buns. Sliced cheese, cheddar, Swiss, or your choice. Lettuce. Tomato slices. Pickles. Onion slices, raw, grilled, or caramelized. Ketchup. Mustard. Mayonnaise. Avocado or guacamole, optional. Preparation. Make the patties. In a bowl, gently mix the ground beef with salt, pepper, and any additional seasonings. Avoid overmixing to keep the patties tender. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions and shape them into patties, making a slight indentation in the center to prevent puffing during cooking. Cook the patties. Grilling method, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side for medium doneness. Add cheese during the last minute of cooking to melt. Stovetop method, heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the patties for 4 to 5 minutes on each side, adding cheese in the last minute. Toast the buns. Lightly butter the insides of the buns and toast them on the grill or in the skillet until golden brown. Assemble the burgers. Place a cooked patty on the bottom half of each bun. Add cheese, lettuce, tomato, pickles, onions, and any other desired toppings. Spread your choice of condiments on the top bun and place it on the burger. Serve. Serve immediately with fries, chips, or a side salad. Enjoy your homemade burgers. Ingredients for burgers. For the burger patties: 1. Ingredients for crepes. For the crepe batter: 1 cup all-purpose flour. 2 large eggs. 1½ cups milk. 2 tablespoons melted butter, plus extra for cooking. 1 tablespoon sugar, optional, for sweet crepes. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Vanilla extract, optional, for sweet crepes. For sweet filling ideas: Nutella. Fresh fruits, strawberries, bananas, blueberries. Whipped cream. Maple syrup or honey. Lemon juice and sugar. Jam or preserves. For savory filling ideas: cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or goat cheese. Ham or turkey. Spinach or mushrooms. Eggs. Herbs like basil or parsley. Preparation. Make the batter. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, eggs, milk, melted butter, sugar, if using, salt, and vanilla extract until smooth. Let the batter rest for about 30 minutes, this helps create tender crepes. Cook the crepes. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat and add a small amount of butter to coat the pan. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter into the skillet, swirling to evenly coat the bottom. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until the edges start to lift and the bottom is lightly golden. Carefully flip the crepe using a spatula and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Kebabs, skewered and grilled meats, often served with flatbreads. Ingredients for kebabs. For the kebab marinade: 1 pound, 450 g, meat, beef, lamb, chicken, or tofu, cut into bite-sized cubes. 1/4 cup olive oil. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh herbs, like parsley or cilantro, chopped, optional. For serving. Skewers, wooden or metal. Pita bread or flatbreads. Sliced vegetables, onions, bell peppers, tomatoes. Tzatziki sauce or yogurt sauce. Fresh herbs for garnish. Preparation. Marinate the meat. In a bowl, combine olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, spices, salt, and pepper. Add the meat or tofu, ensuring it's well coated. Cover and marinate in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or overnight, for best flavor. Prepare the skewers. If using wooden skewers, soak them in water for about 30 minutes to prevent burning. Preheat your grill or broiler. Assemble the kebabs. Thread the marinated meat onto the skewers, alternating with sliced vegetables, if using. Cook the kebabs. Grilling method, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Cook the kebabs for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally, until the meat is cooked through and slightly charred. Broiling method, place the skewers on a baking sheet and broil in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning halfway through. Serve. Serve the kebabs hot with pita bread, sliced vegetables, and tzatziki sauce. Garnish with fresh herbs. Corn on the cob, grilled corn served with butter and spices. Ingredients for grilled corn on the cob. 4 ears of corn, husked. 4 tablespoons butter, or olive oil. Salt, to taste. Pepper, to taste. Optional spices, e.g., paprika, chili powder, garlic powder. Fresh herbs, e.g., parsley or cilantro, for garnish. Lime wedges, for serving. Preparation. Preheat the grill. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Prepare the corn. Husk the corn and remove all silk. Rinse under cold water to remove any remaining silk. Grill the corn. Place the corn directly on the grill grates. Grill for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until the kernels are tender and slightly charred. Add butter and seasoning. Remove the corn from the grill. Brush each ear with butter or drizzle with olive oil. Season with salt, pepper, and any additional spices you prefer. Serve. Garnish with fresh herbs and serve with lime wedges for squeezing over the corn.